Hi, are you committed to helping your children get a college education debt free? I know that I was. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you need scholarships? I was a 10. My name is Lee Binns and I'm the home scholar. My mission is to help parents homeschool high school, and many of my concerns involve getting scholarships for ordinary homeschoolers like you. What I would love to do is invite you to my next free class, super scholarships for humble homeschoolers, because you really can get scholarships for your children. They really can get a college education debt free. And in this class, you're going to learn the three different kinds of scholarships. We'll talk about which one is the biggest, which one you have the most control over, how to improve your chances at scholarships, and how to help your student to stand out above all of the other candidates. It's going to be a great class. It's really going to help you. It's important to plan ahead with these scholarship tips. You definitely want to start as early in high school as possible. You don't want to wait until it's too late. So please register for my next free class. The spots are limited, so you want to make sure that you get registered right away. Don't miss a single day, because we really need to get this figured out before it's too late. So I'm looking forward to talking with you online, and I'll be happy to answer your questions at the end. I'll see you online soon. Take care.